I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to send an object file you found online to a local Wingman operator for pickup. Please make sure you have already watched our file requirements for 3D teleprint video that will help overcome upload errors. This video is for parts not currently located on 3D teleprint. If the object you want is currently on the Products tab, then please watch Stream a 3D print to a Wingman video. This is a brief overview of how to get a part you want made that is not yet on 3D teleprint. All you need right now is the STL file downloaded to your computer and a 3D teleprint account, and you're ready. To get started, log into your 3D teleprint account and go to the Locations tab. When you find a location you're comfortable picking up from, select See More, giving you more information, such as the Wingman name, machine type that will be used, the cost per hour for print bed time, pickup location, the material and color availability, and where your job would be on that machine's print queue. Copy the Wingman machine name and head over to the Products tab and select One-Time Print at the top of the page, just below the header. On the One-Time Print page, you can upload your part by clicking Browse and selecting the file you want created. If your model does not need supports, select No. If you are unsure, select Yes. Then click Upload. If there are no errors, you'll see an Update Complete notification. If there are errors, you'll need to watch our file requirements for 3D teleprint video to learn more. Once your upload is complete, enter the Wingman name you want to send your print job to. Select the material type and color this operator is made available. If you have a choice, select PLA for material. Select medium for print quality, as it will be more than adequate for most parts and will reduce costs. Select 20% for infill percent. Select zigzag for a resourceful infill pattern. Select view costs, where the designer's per print price is added to the operator's print bed time and show you your total cost. Select purchase a print. Enter your payment information and go to the Print Jobs tab located under your username, or click the link. You will be able to see images of the product you ordered being created in real time when the operator starts your job, and you'll know when it's ready for pickup. Remember, you can see where you are in the Wingman job queue by going to the Locations tab and selecting the Wingman you sent the print job to. You can also view the job queue by going to Operators tab, select the operator, and select the Wingman. Once you see your object complete, you can head over to pick it up. You'll have 7 days to pick up your design after it finishes to accept or reject your product. The operator is only required to keep your product for 30 days before they can discard or resell it. If you have any issues uploading your STL file, please be sure and watch our video, File Requirements for 3D Teleprint, to help you overcome any uploading failures. If you don't have a Wingman location near you, please be patient. We are working on adding expert 3D printer operators to our ecosystem. Thank you for watching.